So, hi guys, my name is Swaroop. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map tracker app to track your own location. So, let's start the video. So, click on Start Your Project and enter the name of the app that you want. So, I'm entering Map Tracker. Map Tracker. So, now when you click on OK, you will automatically get onto the app and you will see a page and you will see a new page. So, yeah, this is the page. And now click on the map section and drag the map and set the height to fill parent set the height to fill parent and the width to fill parent. So now go to the user interface. So go to the user interface and you will see the button option. Just drag the button option here. I'm sorry, just delete the I'm deleting it. So now go to the layout and take the particular arrangement and the way to fill parents and the bottom one. Where's the bottom one? Yeah, it's bottom one. And just go to the vertical arrangement and set the align horizontal to center and the align vertical to center. And now drag the table and another label. Okay. Now the text for button one. Okay. Enter the text for button one is where am I? Show where where am I? Okay, now click on text for level 1 and enter the text as 0 and for the text for level 2 enter the text as also 0. Okay, I have already created this project, so let's check it out for any doubts. Um, so I'll open it. Okay. So now, um, so okay, let's just delete the vertical arrangement in our this app. So I'm going to delete the vertical arrangement. So now, so I'm gonna take the button and drag it here. So wait a minute. So in the screen one option, click on align horizontal to center is to 3 and align vertical center. Okay, now drag the button 1 and keep the up. Okay, that's good. And now drag the label 1 and label 2. Okay, now go to the screen 1 and set the background color to black. So as it the background color. So now to change the title of screen 1, you can just click on the screen 1 and go to title and enter the title as any of the titles that you want. So I'm entering map tracker, map tracker by Swaroop. Now, so now just set the background color to black. So search for background color. Yeah, here it is. And set the background color to black. Okay, now it's good. So go to the text forwarded one and enter the text as text as show show that am I. Okay, now the background color to orange. Okay, now zero and okay. Okay, now let's go to the app. So show where I am. Now click on the label one and enter the text as 0 and the background and the text color to white. Okay. And the second label and set the text color to white and the text as also 0. Okay. Now we have finished designing the app. So let's go to the blocks. Before going to the blocks, go to the maps section and drag the that is it. So now maps. The sensor. Okay, sensors. Now click on the sensors and drag the location sensor. The location sensor um, is a is a non-visible component. Okay. The time interval. Okay. Set the time interval to 6,000. If you want 1,000, you can just click on 1,000. Um, so I you can click on 1,000 or 60,000. Okay. Now let's go to the block section and now drag the map one. So button one. Yeah. When button one click. Label. Um, when button one click do. So now click on the map one and scroll down and you will see the okay map pan to map pan call map one pan to latitude longitude zone. So now in this latitude just go to the location sensor and drag the location sensor latitude. Okay, now let's make it duplicate and put it on the longitude and set the latitude to longitude. Okay, now zoom. Okay, click on the math option. Okay, now click on the first option and set the number to 10. Okay, so after this, click on the location sensor. When location changed, latitude, longitude, altitude, speed, to okay. Now drag it. Okay, now go to go to the label. Okay, we go to the label one. Set label one text two set label to text to. Okay, latitude. Latitude. Okay. Now click on latitude, get latitude and drag it here, and longitude and get longitude. Now, okay, now we have finished creating our app. Now let's see how this app works. So guys, this is how the app looks in our mobile. So this is the map. So when you click show me where I am, you will get the exact location of your place. So this is how the app works. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can click on the thumbs up button and click the subscribe button to get instant notification to watch all my videos, and click the bell notification button for getting instant notification of my videos. So thank you for watching guys. See you later. Bye.